Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars. This morning I am going to show you a walk around startup and drive video of this gorgeous 1987 GMC High Sierra 1500 pickup truck. Now this truck has been completely body off restored. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. V8 automatic. It's got a 700 R4 transmission in it. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. This truck was a nut and bolt restoration. Gorgeous truck, sitting on a set of brand new BF Goodrich mud terrain TA tires, a set of brand new, well, reconditioned anyway, stock rally wheels with new center caps, new beauty rings. Gorgeous, gorgeous pickup truck. The front end here, you'll find it's got a brand new front bumper on it with fog lights in it. New grille, new turn signal bezels, new headlights, upgraded LED headlights, new headlight bezels, new emblems, new air dam, new side marker lights, new tail lights, new mirrors, new emblems. All the High Sierra molding down the sides of the truck, new wheel well trim, brand new exhaust, new shocks. The frame's really nice, been painted high gloss black. New tailgate and tailgate stainless trim. They put the cab lights on it. It's got the wind deflectors on the top of the windows, the grab handles. Interior in this truck is absolutely gorgeous. Red interior, new seat, new carpet, new dash pad, new headliner, new sun visors, new dome light. Power windows, power locks. Check out the bottoms of the doors. This thing is absolutely gorgeous truck. New kick panels, sill plates. I drove this truck yesterday. I probably put about 75, 80 miles on it. Runs and drives excellent. Air conditioning works. Spray on bed liner. Tilt steering column. Truck has 86,000 original miles, what the previous owner told me. Just a absolutely beautiful truck. It has dual fuel tanks. The fuel gauge is not reading correctly. It was reading correctly, and I was on my way home with it, and it bounced all the way over where you see it now. So I don't know if it's a ground issue or what, but blower motor works. It's got this nice GMC cup holder here that goes into the ashtray. The problem on a lot of these trucks, you get going down the road and you have no place to put a drink or anything, so kind of nice to have that. Open the hood and show you under there. See how nice the paint is in this truck. Costs a lot of money to restore these trucks, and this thing is very, very nicely restored. You can check out inside the inner fenders there. Looks just like it should, all stock under the hood. Brand new hood insulator. It might be a little bit low on Freon. You can hear the compressor kicks on and off. It felt cold yesterday, but it was only about 65, 70 degrees, so it might need a little bit of a charge. Brand new tail lights, new license plate lights, new rear bumper. LED new LED tail lights. They're pretty cool. It probably looks a little funny in the camera. They're working just perfectly, but when you, for some reason, no matter what you do, you look at an LED, like a digital dash that are LED lights, then you try to take a video of them and they look weird. Gorgeous, gorgeous pickup. Kenyon Classic Cars. www.kenyonauto.com. KINION We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful 87 GMC pickup truck, give us a call. Or maybe one of the other collector vehicles that we have in stock. Yes, I am in beautiful sunny Florida right now. It's 25, 30 below zero back home, and we got 2.5 foot of snow, so I'm gonna hang out here for a day or two more before I head home. But this beautiful truck runs and drives excellent. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. Thanks for watching all my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.